In this episode of Our American Republic, we will discuss civil rights and their place in our constitutional system. To reiterate, human rights are basic rights which all men and women have from birth. The legal protections of human rights explicitly reserved for citizens are known as civil rights. The phrase civil rights is derived from the Latin "jus civis," which means rights of citizens, and were even acknowledged in the Roman Empire. In 1215, English barons forced an abusive king to sign a written statement formally acknowledging their rights. This document was entitled the Great Charter of the Liberties of England, or, as it is more commonly known, the Magna Carta Libertatum. This document guaranteed specific civil rights to the English barons and set a precedent for future written statements of a similar nature. In 1689, following the Glorious Revolution, the English Bill of Rights was written in Parliament to explicitly state the rights of Englishmen in response to another abusive king. So how exactly did these concepts impact the future statement of our American civil rights? In 1776, the Virginia Declaration of Rights, authored by George Mason and James Madison, was adopted by the state of Virginia during the American Revolution. The Virginia Declaration is the direct ancestor and model for the amendments to the new Constitution meant to record the essential civil rights of Americans. These civil rights became known as the U.S. Bill of Rights. All four of these documents were created as a result of excesses in government. In each case, the authors decided that a written statement of citizens' rights was crucial to the protection of such rights against all abusive governments. Other amendments added to our Constitution after the Bill of Rights have expanded the written civil rights of American citizens. These include the abolition of slavery, equality under law, and the right of all citizens to vote. Court decisions have affirmed the constitutional principle that civil rights apply to all citizens of the United States, regardless of race, religion, sex, or age, with logical exceptions for minors, criminals, etc. As you can see, the written civil rights of American citizens did not materialize out of thin air. The broad range of civil rights available to American citizens is unique among most nations of the world. For example, some countries do not legally acknowledge equal rights of women and men, nor do they acknowledge a right to due process or even the right to self-defense. Therefore, it is important to note that our civil rights are guaranteed explicitly to all American citizens under our Constitution. Do we fully appreciate the value of our written constitutional rights? How well do we understand the legal meaning of our rights? How well are we protecting the full range of our American civil rights?